In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Instagram puzzle feed in Canva. If you're looking to elevate your Instagram grid with a seamless and visually striking design, you're in the right place. A puzzle feed is a creative way to display your content, ensuring your profile stands out and engages your audience from the moment they land on your page. Let's dive in and explore how you can create this captivating design using Canva in just 5 minutes. We'll start by heading over to Canva. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to type Instagram puzzle feed into the search bar. This will bring up a host of pre-designed templates specifically made for creating an Instagram puzzle feed. These templates are a great shortcut to achieving a professional look without starting from scratch. Now that you've typed in your search, go ahead and browse through the options available. You'll notice a wide range of styles and themes from minimalist and chic to vibrant and artistic. Take your time to find a template that resonates with your brand aesthetics and the message you want to convey to your followers. Once you've found the perfect match, click on it to begin customizing. After selecting your template, click on the Customize this template button. This will open up the design in Canva's intuitive editing interface. You'll notice that the template is conveniently divided into sections designed to seamlessly align once uploaded onto your Instagram grid. Next, let's personalize your puzzle feed by adding your own images and branding. Click on the Uploads tab on the left side of the screen. This is where you can upload images from your device. If you've already uploaded images to Canva in the past, they're easily accessible here. To replace an image in the template, simply drag your photo from the Upload section and drop it onto the image you wish to replace. Canva will automatically resize and crop it to fit the placeholder. As you customize, feel free to experiment with different text, fonts, and colors to reflect your brand's identity. Remember, consistency is key to maintaining a professional and cohesive appearance. Once you're satisfied with how your puzzle feed looks, preview it to ensure that all sections align well with each other. Finally, when everything looks perfect, it's time to download your design. Canva provides multiple file format options, and for Instagram, a high-resolution PNG is often the best choice. Consider saving each section of your puzzle individually, starting from the bottom right and working your way left and up, to ensure that your feed layout uploads correctly. And there you have it, your very own Instagram puzzle feed. With this visually stunning layout, you'll captivate your audience and give your profile a creative edge. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!